Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I'm going to be using some new stickers that are from the Dollar Tree. I received these from a swap that I do with my crafty BFF here on YouTube, Latasha, and so she sent me a bunch of different Dollar Tree stickers that I had not picked up and actually had not seen in any of my stores. So I thought this one was super fun. Summer's still here, even though kids have gone back to school. But I thought I could still do a summer themed spread with these stickers. These are super pretty, kind of a rainbow color. And so I picked out some washi tapes that I had in my stash. I think these are all recollections from Michael's. So I thought those went really well with that. I also pulled my Mambi sticker pads here, so I'll probably use some of the stickers in there as well. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright guys, so here's how it turned out. This was a really quick and easy spread. I love it. It's the dimensional stickers, so it's going to add a little bit of bulk to your planner, but I'm fine with that. I try and tend to stick to flat, but every now and again I'll use the dimensional stickers. So yeah, it turned out really pretty, and I was happy that I had some washi that went with it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.